Guys, welcome once again to another episode of Scott Talks Law. Under this episode, we're going to look at administrative law, and we're going to look at the meaning, nature, and scope of delegated legislation. What are these delegated legislations? So, delegated legislations or secondary legislation or subordinate legislations or subsidiary legislations are laws made by our executive authority under powers given to them by the primary legislation in order to implement and administer the requirement of primary legislation. According to Oxford's Dictionary of Politics, laws made by ministers under the powers given to them by parliamentary acts. So these are laws that are made by ministers in times of emergencies to come up with those instant solutions or to meet instant demands, those which are required fast, to make those fast responses to particular issues. So these legislations can also be subjected to court if they don't conform to the rules of administrative justice or they are not as expected. So if they are biased, they don't conform to the rules of natural justice, they are unreasonable, they are illegal, they are not fair, then they can be submitted to courts. So characteristics of delegated legislation: they are laws made by administrative authorities. These are laws that are made by authorities that have that administrative power. They are in form of rules and regulations, orders and bylaws. So these laws are not laws made by parliament. They are not statutes. So they are in form of rules, regulations, orders and bylaws. Number 3. So subordinate agencies of legislative power make them after the powers delegated to them by the legislation. So under these powers given to them, these administrative bodies by the legislation or the parliament. So they make these legislations or laws after they get the power from the parliament. Number 4. Usually technical or other matters which do not affect the policy of legislation are included in rules and regulations by law. So number 5. Laws made by ministers under power given to them by the parliamentary acts. So they get the powers from the parliamentary acts. Number 6. Rules should be made immediately with publication of the authority without delay. So as I said, these are rules that are or laws that are made immediately or to meet those needs that are to speedily meet the needs that are required. So these are made immediately and they should be publicized without delay. Number 7. The language must be clear and simple. These complex terms must be avoided. Everyone must understand the terms that are used in this delegated legislation. And administrative bodies should conform to the provisions given by the Act. There are provisions that are provided that these administrative bodies must play in coming up with these rules. So they should just conform to those provisions that are provided. And number 9, they should give explanatory notes. Whatever necessary explanatory notes shall be given. These administrative bodies might give explanatory notes on how they came up with these laws, the procedures. Those explanatory notes are relevant. So number 11, consultations with expert or authorized authorities shall be made before drafting the rules for more effectiveness and efficiency. So before making these rules and laws, they must consult with experts in those particular fields. So there are many fields that require laws. There are many ministries that, like Ministry of Health, consultation should be made with experts in those matters. Ministry of Education must consult with people who have that skills in education. Ministry of Transportation, the same, must do adequate consultation with experts in that field. Ministries like those of every ministry must do consultation in order to come up with this legislation. wide and sufficient publicity shall be given so that the general public so these legislations must be democratic in nature. It must involve the public, and tax or financial levy should not be imposed by the rules of this legislation, and sub-delegation is not advisable. If you are given this power, you cannot delegate again to other people. Sub-delegation is not advisable. So those are the characteristics, and we also have the legislations which cannot be delegated. The penal law cannot be delegated. The taxations cannot be delegated. You cannot delegate how to tax and issues to deal with taxations, compensation, retrospective effects cannot also be delegated. Financial matters cannot also be delegated. So, advantages of delegated legislation. So, this delegated legislation saves on economy. They save on economy and they reduce the workload. So, the parliament has. So, the advantages of this delegated legislation: they save on the economy. They allow legislature or parliament to concentrate on more broader issues of policies rather than masses of details. So they reduce the responsibilities of this parliament. They enable the state to give quality and quantity of laws which are required for the proper functioning of the social, economic, welfare or democratic state. They allow technical matters to be determined by the competent people to do so. They allow elasticity and flexibility in making legislations. So it allows rapid action to be taken in emergency. Judicial review may also be sought by parties which have a local standard and time, so not wasted by parliament considering them all. And withdrawal or amendment is easy. It's easy to amend this delegated legislation. Permit utilization of experience and consultation with interest of affected party. So it enables to provide explanation of public utility service. Explanation is given. It's more democratic than lawmaking and legislature as it provides public participation and it permits experience. So disadvantages: people representatives will not be present. Public opinion is absent. People cannot give their views. It is unknown until it is notified. Accountability and control is lost. Undemocratic as most regulations are made by civil servants rather than the affected people. Lack of publicity. Control over this